This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch between different speed modes on this drone. So on your remote controller you'll have this toggle, this switch, which has three positions: C, N, and S.
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
So,
Fly with caution.
so C stands for sign mode, which is slow speed. N stands for normal mode, self-explanatory. And sport, well,
Obstacle sensing unavailable.
is
Fly
the
with caution.
highest speed mode, which unlocks even higher speeds, more dynamic flight. Just keep in mind that while in the sport mode, all safety precautions when it comes to obstacle avoidance are unavailable. So as the pop-up we just gotten said, be careful. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.